Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Wickedy, 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 what? On today's episode of Furniture Messiah, I'm just refinishing some tables for a coffee shop that's down the street from my house. Because we've been going there for a while now, and those tables were wobbly. And you know when you have a cup of coffee, you know, like in a mug, table wobbles, sometimes it spills, no bien, you know. So, I wanted to make those tables non-wobbly, and then I decided to clear coat them just because I thought it would be better if they had a finish, you know, for staining and stuff. You know, when you put a cup that's got water around it and it stains like a wood table. I didn't stain these tables. Somebody else stained them. I wanted to stain them, but they had a family friend do it. I'm not gonna say what coffee shop because the family friend doesn't know that I modified these tables. All I really did to the tops was sand them and then clear coat them, as you'll see later. A lot of the work was just taking off the paint. There's like black paint on the legs, which I also clear coated. But I wanted to take the paint off so I could weld a brace. And also, well, I found out as I was like sanding them that one of the legs was like about to snap off. So I welded that shit back on. It's fine now. Worked pretty good. They don't wobble. I don't sit at them as much though, because we made these we took the other tables, which is in another video, it'd be a round tables, and fucking made those hella cool though. You shall see, you shall see. But in the meantime, these tables, yo, I could have made this shit shorter, no lie, because I'm still sanding these table legs. Damn, don't you hate when that happens? Now I've already got this recording going. There's no way I'm turning back now. There's like a whole other minute and a half of this shit. It's kind of rewarding though, you know, you get to watch them go black to silver. Do 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 I think that's as much time as you get. Right? Isn't that like 2 cycles? Fuck. Used to watch hella Jeopardy back in the day at my grandma's house. She only had like 4 channels or something, so it was like Judge Judy, Jeopardy. I think that's mostly what we watched. Cops. That's right. We watched hella Cops. Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come home? We. This was something in the court of law, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. I forget. It's been a bit. Ooh, welding. Are you ready? So for the braces, I still have a fuck ton of barrel ties. Actually, I'm running low, but the cool thing is you can buy them individually on Etsy, so I might do that because they're pretty handy. Yes. I think I left the sound in for the welder because I like the way it sounds. Just like it probably sounds way weirder spit out. I tried to breathe my spit, didn't work. Damn. For a second, you know. I like that shirt I'm wearing. It's from Sicily. I forget what the fuck it says. Something about relating with somebody. Through conversation? Or a hello or something? I forget. Greeting? Something about greetings. Greetings are a thing. Yeah, see, that was a leg that was fucked up. It's not fucked up anymore. Well, bring it closer. You don't even want me to throw it. You're tired, you crazy dog. Jesus Christ. You crazy. You crazy. Here, say something. Say something, Cootie. No, she shook her head. She said, nah-uh. I ain't gonna say shit. I'm not saying shit. Hey, no. No. I love you. It's late. It's like 10 o'clock. I'm just outside to record. Yeah, go get those rats. There you go. Hunt for me. I like the way metal looks when it's just like ground down. Especially maybe I should just drink water. Especially when you make patterns with the grinder. There were some holes, so I decided to use like not technically a syringe. It's got like a, but same idea. Damn, what the fuck? Okay, maybe it's just allergies. There's a lot of dust and pollen and shit. I use the roller, but it's pretty good if you want to like spread around like an even set of clear coat, but I went back over it with the brush because I didn't like the way that finish was setting up. Not even a little bit. It's way smoother with the brush. But I mean, you could try like a microfiber roller. Would works better actually. I did the dining table with a microfiber roller. Fuck, I'm gonna have to do that voiceover again. It's pretty fucked up. I was really high. I just babbled. I'm not high right now. Dun dun dun. I'm trying to kick my addiction. Just a little bit. Left foot. Taper back. It's hard to go cold turkey like anything else in life. Even sugar or coffee. They will give you withdrawals. No lie, if you pay attention. The withdrawals from weed is sweating, weed, sweaty palms. I'm really just sweating. It's sweating for me. Do 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 do. Wow, we're almost done here. This is a quick one. I figure it's like I'm thinking monkey see, monkey do, you know. That's how I learned most of these skills. I watched somebody else do them, and then they're like, here, take this, try it. And I was like, okay. Boom. The secret to life. Take this, try it. Fuck, I should have clipped this. This is just a big empty space. What the fuck? Damn, y'all. Wow. It looks really nice. Wow, beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Damn. I love wood grain. Something about it. It almost looks like artistic. I mean, I don't even think my shirt would fall into it. I'm just like, just in case. Just in case-o. Wow. They are really pretty though, those tables. They really just needed some clear coat. Just seal them up. Slide a cup across. Scott Pilgrim versus the World. Why do I like that movie? So weird. Yeah, pretty. That's what's up. Look at that. That's a table. Oh, different angle. Same table. How about this one? Yeah, wood grain. What's good? That's the end. Bye.